Who the fuck's running the red light? Not me. I'm not in the middle of the road. You blind? Stop! My lord. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get off. Oh my god, alright.
No!
Stop damn honking! You're giving me a damn headache.
Okay, okay.
I haven't gotten the left lane, so y'all go around me. Nothing I can do. It's a red light. I'm not getting fined.
Dude, it really wasn't me honking.
Yes, it was.
No, it
Both of
wasn't.
you.